Good evening, dears. How are you all? Are you all fine? Oh, yes. So, we are back to our class. Last day, we were studying the lesson, The Tale of a Mountain. And I just gave only the introduction and the first paragraph. We have studied only till there. And today, I will be dealing with the rest of the part. So, shall we start? Are you all ready? So, sit straight and be energetic. Okay, that's good. So the story begins like this. Once there was a mountain. The mountain was feeling very lonely. You know what the reason is? What is the size of the mountain? It is small or big? It is very big in size. It is very tall. That's why the mountain had only a very few friends. Because the other creatures are not able to reach till the peak of the mountain. The plain was there below it, but the mountain didn't notice it. He never used to look down because it was far below. So he had only a very few friends. Who was the friend of the mountain? The clouds, the fluffy clouds. What do you mean by fluffy? Fluffy means which is very light and airy. When the wind used to blow, during that time, these clouds will move in the sky. You can see when you observe or when you look at the sky, you can see how the clouds used to move. So here, the clouds were the only friend of the mountain. So they were leading a very happy life. They shared their thoughts with each other. But after some time, something happened. What is that? The season changed. Now it is the summer season. You know what a summer season is? What is it? Is it a cold climate or a hot one? Yeah, it is a very hot climate. Have you observed the sky during the summer season? In what color it will be? It will be in blue color. And whether you can see any clouds in the sky during that time? No, it's not possible. You can see only the plain blue sky. The clouds won't appear there. So he was waiting for the clouds, the mountain. During the summer season, the mountain was waiting for the clouds. And he waited there. For 2 or 3 days he waited, but he was not able to see the clouds. He was feeling so sad. So he looked up and asked the sky, "Dear sky, can you tell me where your children had gone? I want to see them. I want to talk with them. Where they have gone?" The mountain started to complain to the sky. During that time, the sky replied, "Dear mountain, they have gone to the kingdom of winter. You know, it is the hot summer season. So that's why they have moved on to the other climate. They have gone to the kingdom of winter. So after this season only, they will return back." So hearing this, the mountain again felt sad. He was thinking what to do. Anyway, at any cost, he wanted to meet them. So he asked the sky, "Can I go to the kingdom of winter and meet my friends?" At that time, the sky got very angry and he asked, "Is it possible for a mountain to move? You know how the mountain looks. It is very big in size and it is still. It can't move like the other human beings or the other creatures. They are still. They have to stay in that particular place itself. So that's why the sky said that, don't speak like this. You are a mountain. You have to be still in that place itself. You can't move. You are not having any wings to fly." So the mountain felt so sad and he started to wail. Wail means he started to cry. When he was crying, the tears was flowing through the eyes and the water came down like a river. I have already told you that the season is summer and the plain was very dry during that time because there was no rain. No water was also available there. So the plain was very dry. During that time, what happened is that when the water came like a river down and flow in the plain was very happy. It was very thirsty during that time. So when they got the water, they were drinking the water so thirstily. So after having it, what happened is that the plain was healed. So many cracks were there. Because of the hot climate, so many cracks appeared on the plain, and now there was not even a single wound in the plain. It was feeling so happy. So during this time, the plain wanted to tell the thankfulness to the mountain. So what the plain had done is that he said it in a loud voice. He called the mountain, "O kind mountain." At that time, the mountain stopped crying and he looked down. Who was calling me? So he observed and he noticed that it was the plain. And the mountain asked, "Why you are calling me?" So during that time, the plain said that, "I want to tell you thank you because you have saved our life." Now you please observe the plain. Earlier, there were a lot of cracks, a lot of wounds were there because of the hot climate. And from you gave the water. From your eyes, the water flowed like a river and it healed all our wounds. So look, all the small plants and grasses which were growing in the plain, now they are very fresh and green. If you look from the top, you can see the plain as a green carpet. So everywhere it is greenery. So I want to thank you for the water that you have gave us. So hearing this, the mountain was happy. So he thought, I can make friendship with the plain. Why I have not thought about it earlier? So they became friends and they were leading a happy life. During this time, the story ends with a message given by the sky. The sky tells to the mountain that, "My dear mountain, you can find friends anywhere at any situation. Only thing is that you have to notice them. If you are noticing it, you are able to find friends at anywhere." So saying this message, the lesson ends. So through this, here the author tries to describe to us that everyone, all the people in the world must try to make new friends every day. Because if we are trying to do like this, we will be able to get a lot of friends in our life. So there is no need of loneliness. So make friendship. With whoever person you see, try to make friendship. Try to talk with them. So you will be leading a very happy life. So that is the message that we get from the lesson. Hope you understood. Thank you.